So here we are, ready as ever, ready as I'm ever going to be. So I'm going to do a Dutch pour, and I'm not going to put a full line on there. I'm just going to do pieces, parts at a time. So with that, let's start up here. And let's put some white around it. And I'm going to do a blow over. Here we go. Let that sit up for a minute. So there's one there. I think I'll do one down here. Ooh, he's quite a bit there, isn't it? I think somebody could call that a fatty. Oh boy. All right. Oops. Let's do some pour over. Here we go. All right, well, that one is sitting. Let's blow this one over here and see what we end up with. Okay, I have one more to go. And that one is going to be, I'm going to mix this up a little bit. Yeah. It's crazy, huh? Crazy, crazy. Alrighty. And add a little hunk. Ooh, yeah, that's a big chunk of hunk. Okay. You know, I don't like this. So before I even, this one could drip off of there. Well, let's just go ahead and do that. Oh. Yeah, this needs something. And I think what it needs is to be scraped. So, I don't know why that turned out so crappy, but it did. So, crappy is as crappy does. Oops. I don't want it dripping over the edge on my carpet. Please. Okay, what do we do now, brown cow? All right, let's Put some more white down. Ooh. This was unexpected. Well, whatever. Remember, we're just supposed to be having fun. Ooh. Ooh, beat the drums like a crazy native. Okay, whatever. Remember, this was a restoration piece. So, what do we have to lose? Okay. What should we do in the middle there? What should we do? What should we do? Let's try to... Okay. Let's take this color and put it there. Whoa, gee whiz. And a touch of the red. Most of these, well, actually not most of them, all of them. I mixed all of these up with a combination of other colors. They're not straight out of the tube. And yeah. Alrighty. Let's try some Amsterdam white. You know what? I'm going to try something crazy. I'm just going to put some GAC 800 around this. I don't know that I've seen do that. And then blow it. Then let it sit for a minute. And then go crazy. Here we go. Well, isn't that interesting? Hey, that was GAC is kind of cool, isn't it? Should have done that before. Okay, let me get our little blowtorch here. There it is. Oh, that's not a bubble. That's a... Ooh. I don't like that either. I'm going to have to use my my straw and my mini blower. And I have... That is what we call a chunk. Oh, yes. That was a real elephant goober. Okay, I think that was it. Okay. Let me turn the camera off and get out my mini blower, get the paints off of here, and we'll be back and do a little touch-up. So we'll be back shortly. Please bear with me. I'll be back. Thank you. All right. I got my mini blower out. And I did the propane blow, or the butane, and I got my front guard off. So let's... I noticed I had a chunk here. I don't know. I got more than one today. These must be coming out of my white. I used, just started using, I thought I'd better use up that white background. Pretty, it sat too long. So there you have it. I may do a little bit more. I know there's... Oh, look at that, will you? Okay, that's what we call surgery. That's big enough to... Oh boy, ugly. Okay, here we go. That was good. Got rid of that. That was very scary. Okay, I'm going to turn this off, check for bubbles, and if I'm liking it, I will bring it back around and do a close-up. This is Richard saying, please stand by. Well, there you have it. There you have it. I'll bring it in for a little bit of a close-up. I'd say these colors were on the warm side with a touch of cool warm. Is there such a thing? I don't know. Anyway, it's a little different for me. The colors are different for me anyway. And I think it'll dry okay. It's got some action, some movement. It's vivid. What else could you ask for, man? I don't know. So there you have it. This was Richard B. with a restoration canvas. And I hope you had fun watching me create this with you. And this is Richard saying goodbye for now and thanks for watching.